Test. Okay, there we go. Is it even recording? Test. Yeah. Test. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the second part of the tutorial from my original tutorial on how to make a Splatoon avatar. If you guys want to learn how to do this, you have to follow my every single step. Don't rush into anything. Don't just say, "Ooh, okay, I know what to do," and just messed up later. Because I'm pretty sure once I'm like in the middle of telling you what to do, you're just going to ignore it. My instructions. You're going to ignore my instructions and get and just break the model because you wasn't listening to me. So in order for you to successfully make a Splatoon avatar and get it into Vrchat, you need to fully listen. Keep your eyes glued to my cursor. And when I say, no, don't put that in that folder. No, don't put this in this folder. No, don't delete this. Don't delete that. Just listen, okay? I am recording this at 7:07 a.m. in the morning, so it's very, very early. So that's why I'm very, very quiet. But hopefully you guys can still understand what I'm saying, okay? Because I've made another video before and I kind of screamed at you guys in the you didn't see it because it didn't record my voice, but I was trying to tell you guys, no, don't do this, don't do that. Just please pay attention. Okay, it's already 2 minutes into the video. Just listen, okay? Because I avoided it. I avoided this video for so long just to see you guys if you know how to make us an avatar on your own. But it seems like you guys can't do that because you guys are just missing brain cells or something. So allow me shortcuts to lend you my brain cells that I have left. Okay? Just pay attention, okay? That's all I'm asking. So, we're back with this tutorial octoling I made. Okay. And also, my friend, he's not really my friend, but he's my associate that I know on VRChat. He wanted to know how I make gloves for the Inklings and Octolings, and he's having trouble with it. And I'm telling you, you don't need to color in the texture. You just need to cut the hand to itty bitty pieces. Like I'll tell you that guys later, but you came here for how to port the Inklings and Octolings to VRChat. So we're gonna do the gloves later, okay? But I'm telling you, it's really simple. You just need a stupid black PNG and just cut around the fingers and you're done. So you finish making your Inkling or Octoling. It's rigged. It's ready. It looks great, right? Your Octoling or Inkling, right? It looks great. So, what do we do after? Okay, but first, people are like don't know how to. They never told me this on my video, but there's people in the Discord chat like confused of how do I download MMD, how do I download PMX editor and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. If you go on your web browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, Mozzarella, or whatever, just go on Google. Type. Snap. Hold on. Okay, I don't know if you guys are slow or anything, so I'm gonna have to tell you how to get there. Okay. So first, what you want to do is go to type in Miku Dance.com or Miku Dance or whatever, and you want to go to this one. Click on the downloads one. Okay. Wait for it to load. I'm doing this with you, so just pay attention, please, because I don't want to repeat myself again. So you're gonna be up to this page right here called learnmikumikudance.com. Yeah. So what you want to go to do is go to downloads, right? Just click on downloads. I'm already at downloads or whatever. Just scroll down until you get to this page. Download the latest. Download the latest of Miku Miku Dance MMD 9.3 9.32 from Learn MMD. So to help you with this, so basically this is the 32-bit and this 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit computer, download this. If you have a 64 computer, download this. Okay. Okay. So what you can always learn, if you can always click on these links and stuff and just learn how to do it. And there's instructions here, which I'm not going to do. Just see a 32-bit computer, click on this. 64, click on that. So don't download this. Download this. It's for wait. Okay, so it basically tells you this. If you have a 32-bit computer, download these three. If you have a 64-bit computer, download these three. Don't download all of them. This is stupid. Okay, okay. You don't really need to read all this. If you want, you can read it if you want, but I'm not going to do that. You don't need to download that one. Just keep scrolling, and you probably need to download this. Probably. I don't remember. I don't remember if I needed to download this, but you can download it to see if it works. But here's what you're supposed to download. So don't stop. Look, listen. Okay. Don't just download Miku Miku Dance and like, oh, okay, I got its shortcuts. You don't need to teach me anymore. No, it's going to not work. Okay, it's not going to work because once you open it, it's going to give you an error and it won't even open at all. Be like, oh, shortcuts. Oh, shortcuts. I'm clicking on it, but it's not working. The application. Slow down and listen to me, okay? See, you're too far ahead. You're rushing. Slow down. You have all day. Today is Monday. You probably have school or something. Damn. But whatever. Just listen. Okay? Just follow my steps. I have a 64-bit computer, so I'm going to download this. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. So download this. Okay? Don't open it yet. You can, I think you can, I'm pretty sure if you click on this, it's going to open some kind of tab thing. Yeah, just follow the instructions, just open it and stuff, but don't open MMD fully yet. And if you have a 64-bit computer, download these three. That's it. That's all you need to do. Don't download this. Download the 64-bit one, okay? Now, you're not done yet. Don't open MMD yet. Don't open PMX editor yet. Listen, okay? Sorry, my head is just... I don't really remember if I need to download this or not. So I have, see, because there's going to be a thing where it says you can't find mmdx shown.dll. So what you want to do is download this too. Download this folder or whatever this download thingy is. And also, if you don't know where PMX editor is, download this PMX editor, the English version. That's what I use. Okay, download this. You don't really need to download this if you know how to use effects in PMX editor or MMD. I don't really use it. But shortcuts. How do I get to the MMD tools? Shortcuts. Just slow down, okay? We're just slowing down for a second. Give me a second because I kind of forgot what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click to get MMD tools for Blender. You want to click on this. Then it should be a new tab that opened, right? It's called MMD tools. Now listen, don't doubt. Stop. Let go of your mouse. Listen. What you're going to do is you're going to click on code, go down, click on zip. I'm not going to do that because I've already downloaded it in a folder, which I'm going to show you guys in a second, okay? I see how I'm patient with you. I'm kind of stressing out a little bit because you guys are rushing ahead and not listening to what I'm telling you to do, because you're gonna break your model and then you're gonna be like, oh, shortcuts, I kind of broke it. I don't know what to do. Okay, just please, I have a headache now. So what you want to do is click on this link right here. I just click on open link, new tab. Then it should appear this new window. Okay. So just in case you can't see the link, it's right there. So then you want to click on code, this green button, code. Then you want to download a zip. Now don't open it yet. Now listen. There's two ways of using these add-ons. First, it uses the RAR folder or the folder that comes with the RAR file. So like let's say you open it, right, and it has a folder. Don't open it yet. So I should probably teach you how to do that too. Dang. Okay, you know what? I'll do it with you. Okay, so wait for my thing to download, right? So there is two ways of downloading it. So there's there's that way or there's the other way, right? So you want to like so don't open this yet, okay? I don't know why this says dev test. I don't know either. But normally if you open it and you put it into your Blender add-on, it's not gonna show up in your Blender. So that's why I'm telling you not to open it yet. So I can confirm if this is right or not, because you know how my brain is, it's kind of slow. So I'm just teaching you how to do this so you won't be complicated later on. I'm gonna open it so I know what I'm doing. Wait, no, wait. No, I'm not gonna open it because I already have it in the folder. Okay, so you got your MMD tools, right? So you want to close out of that, close out of this. All right, back to this. So how to get the Splatoon models, right? How I get it. So what you want to do is type in MMD Splatoon model or Splatoon 2 model, and go to this one, this link, which should pop up this link. It should be very basic to find. Just type in MMD Splatoon and it's right there, okay? Where's the download button? Okay, never mind. So just scroll down, scroll down. You don't really need to listen to this, yada 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 yada. What you really want is this. So you want to go to here and click download. I need to make sure it doesn't lead me to it. Okay. So what you're gonna do is click download, right? And wait for this mega file to open. Okay, so there's gonna be two folders, right? Character models and hairs, and clothings and phone. Download both of those, okay? That's how you get the clothes and stuff. How it's shown here. This is how you get the oh, didn't want to do that. This is how you get the clothes and stuff, okay? Okay, now after we downloaded our clothes and stuff, and I'll go like as soon as you like downloaded the clothes and stuff, go back to the first video and it'll teach you how to make your Splatoon model. And then after you've done that, come back to this video, okay? Okay, so after you download your Splatoon model and making it and stuff, what you want? Oh, then you got to download Blender. Look, I'm not teaching you how to download Blender. Go on Google and search Blender and stuff like that, okay? Okay, so as you can see, we're on Blender right now. Just open Blender. And as you can see, I don't have I don't have Miku Miku Dance in here or MMD because I deleted it so I can teach you slowly how to do it, okay? Because I'm doing this with you. Okay, so first you want to go to File, okay, Game, File. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, wait, no, that's not gonna work. So what you have your this folder, right? you're gonna get this. You know the MMD tools that we just talked about. This MMD thing. So once you have that downloaded, you want to go to your Blender's objectory. So look, let me teach you. So you want to go to your downloads or whatever you downloaded Blender at, right? So you want to press open file location or whatever. Then you want to go to 2.9, no 2.79 scripts, add-ons. Oh wait, you guys are not that fast. Hold on, I forgot you guys are slow. Go to Blender 2.79 Windows 64. Go to 2.79. Go to scripts. Go to add-ons. Now there's gonna be a whole bunch of stuff in here. We don't need to worry about that as stuff, okay? We don't need to worry about any of this. What we need to do is worry about this. Okay? So this can go either way. It could not work, it could work, because I kind of forgot. I kind of scripted this like before, but I was muted the whole time, so I hope this time I'm not muted. So what you want to do is drag your cat's plugin Blender tool thing that you got from your downloads that I showed you. Drag it to this add-on folder. Okay? Now don't open Blender yet. Be like, oh sure, because I know what to do now. Thank you. No, it's not gonna work. Because look, see, because if you open Blender now, it's probably not gonna work. Because well, it probably will work because you need to like restart your Blender, but sometimes it would work, sometimes it won't. Then go to File, then go to User Preferences. Because you might need to restart your Blender if it's not there. Okay, so it is there. Okay, it probably is there for me, but probably not there for you. So it's gonna look like this, right? So just imagine this isn't there. So what you want to do is type in cat's Blender plugin, right? Then click on the checkbox, which should activate the thing. But for some reason, for me, it's slowing down for some reason. It's freezing up. It's all part of helping you guys. Because my Blender isn't this slow. Because everything is open, that's why it's slow. I have to physically teach you guys how to do this mess. Like, it's not that hard. I don't see why people, like, it's like getting confused of saying that it's hard. Okay? Now look, listen, don't click anything. Listen. It's probably gonna say, "Oh, shortcuts. I got it now. Thank you." No, it's not gonna work yet. It's probably not even gonna show in your Blender. Okay, it won't show this. Which it won't show the little cats thing. It's gonna just show this, this, and this. It won't show cats. It won't show operator. Okay, just follow what I'm doing. Okay, listen, follow. Close out your Blender and reopen it. Okay. Okay, once we've reopened Blender, what you gotta do is just left click and just press A twice on your computer, your keyboard, press delete and press enter. Okay, so then you want to go to the cats button that's suddenly appeared on your computer. You want to click cats, then you want to click MMD. I'm gonna cut this video out so you don't see what's in my folders, but just go to your directory where you've saved your Splatoon model. For instance, I named it MMD Splatoon 2 model pack version 2.5, and I just go to your OCs, go to your thing where you last saved your Splatoon model. For instance, it was YouTube tutorial. Then click import model file PMX or MMD. Or PMX or PMD, I think that's what it says. but you want to download, you want to use the PMX version. Also, don't forget to save your model as a .pmx or it won't work, or it'll just glitch. Okay, so you got your model into Blender. Woohoo, congratulations. So what you want to do is now you want to click on Fix Model and wait. Okay, so once your model is fully loaded, right? So normally what I do to get it like fully 100% working with models with the blinking and visemes, normally what I do is I go press model options and I click all, this button right here is going to translate, and it's going to say translated everything. Sometimes it's going to say, oh, you're banned from Google Translate. Don't panic, it's, you're not banned, it's just, it just says that. It does that with some of the models sometimes. If that's the issue, if it like gives you an error, all you got to do is go to armature, no, armature, hips, spine, chest, neck, head. Okay, so what you want to do now, this is just, no, you have to do this anyway, even though if you get an error. So then after you've gone to the head, you want to double click on the I underscore L, then type in left I. I don't remember if I needed to put cap locks, but you don't need to do that. Then you want to right click again on I right, I underscore right, and type in right, right eye. Okay, that's gonna like do some things to the model and stuff. So scroll down, click eye tracking, and you want to click on left eye and find the name left eye. Go down, wait until it loads. Then you want to go to right eye and go and find right eye. And sometimes the model won't come with a blink feature, so you're gonna have to make the vising, the blink thing yourself. But we'll do that in another video when I find a model that can't blink. Then normally what I do is, you see, wait, don't click anything. Stop, put your mouse down. Now listen. I know it's already like ready for eye tracking and stuff, but no, just listen. Don't click anything yet. Just pay attention to my directions. Click on Wink 2 and press blink. Listen, it's gonna work. Trust me. Now go to blink right and click basis. Okay. If that doesn't work, then you want to click wink right too. I mean, no, wink right. Okay. If it doesn't work, because sometimes it doesn't work and you have to click on right wink or white or wink right too or whatever it says. Okay, and sometimes don't click anything yet. Stop. Put your mouse down. Okay, now it's gonna say eye tracking testing, right? Don't click on that yet. Go back. It's gonna, your model messed up. Okay, how I know this? I'm from the future. I know everything. So click on creation. Oh, shortcuts. What's this? I didn't put right elbow. I put right eye. So what you want to do is click on right elbow, then scroll back down to right eye. Then you want to click on create eye tracking. That's how you fix that little error. Okay. Man, I haven't eaten anything yet. I should really make some shells and cheese. but I don't want to be on the pot on making shells and cheese because it takes too long. Then what you want to do is click start eye tracking. Now leave your mouse alone and let it load. Okay, so now what you want to do is press the eye thing and look at that, it's blinking. I know it kind of shows this little white 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 thing, but that's it only happens with Octoling models. But if you use an Inkling, it won't show this little white black thing error thing. Okay, so that's how you make it blink for VRChat. Okay, then you want to press stop eye tracking. Okay, so it's already gonna come with Visemes. Okay, so what you want to do is create Visemes. Sometimes models won't come with Visemes, and you're gonna have to make that yourself. If you want to learn how to make custom Visemes, comment on this video, teach me how to make custom Visemes, and I'll see if I'll make it for teach you how to make it. Okay. There's no point of telling you how to make custom Visemes on Splatoon models because it already comes with Visemes. The models, models that doesn't have Visemes, like, if you're trying to port like Gary's mod and SFM to VRChat, stuff like that, I'll gladly teach you how to do that. My way, not anybody else's way, my way. Okay? I already have notes on how to port uh SFM and Gary's mod into VRChat. I know how to port XPS to VRChat for that example. Okay, so your model is basically finished. But shortcuts. My character's model is transparent. I can see through its body and stuff. What do I do? So normally what you want to do is you want to click on your model, you right click it, go to object mode, press edit, and press A on your keyboard. That's going to highlight everything. Go to mesh, go to add duplicate, and look, don't click, be careful clicking on something because it's going to like mess up. All right. Then it's going to show you, oh, look, shortcuts, I'm doing it. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to right click once, which should snap the model back in place. Now what you want to do is you want to go to mesh, you want to go to normals and flip normals. What that's going to do is it's going to mirror the texture, basically meaning, okay, I'll teach you that in a second. So go back to object mode and I'll teach you. Okay, so in the sometimes in closed it shows a transparent, like an invisible texture on inside the sleeves and the collars and stuff like that. What I just taught you how to do is gonna fix that basically. Yeah, it's gonna add more polygons, but at least it doesn't look bad, right? Yeah, that's basically how you do it. Um, yeah. Then you want to go to export model. I won't show you this, but you're going to have to trust me, okay? I'll teach you, but just listen, okay? First begin to press the export model. And then after that, once you click export model, it's going to pop up this thing. Don't worry about it not being optimized. VRChat doesn't care of the polygon limit because the polygon limit has been like infinitely increased, so you can put like how many polygons you want on your avatar. Oh, shortcuts. What if I don't want that? Dude, if you don't want it, then click off this video. I'm not gonna waste my time teaching you how to make an optimized model, okay? I'm teaching you how to make Splatoon models, alright? So what you want to do is you want to press continue to export. Okay, I needed to hide some stuff. So, okay, so what you want to do is once you've once you've clicked the export model thing, just rename it to anything you want. I'm gonna name this tutorial octoling 2 .fbx. So what you want to do is press export as fbx. And that's basically how you do it. That's how you get a Splatoon model into VRChat. If please tell me you guys know how to just drag your FBX folder, your newly created Splatoon model inside the Splatoon model folder thing I taught you. Please tell me you guys know how to do that, because I'm not gonna teach you the whole thing all over again. So basically, you want to take your model that you've just made this, and you want to drag it into your Unity, and so on and so forth. That's how you get your Splatoon model into VRChat. I'm not teaching you how to fully put it into Unity, because everybody uses Unity, everybody uses VRChat, so there's no point of me teaching you how to put it into VRChat. I've already taught you now. See, that's it. Okay, so the new thing, shortcuts. How do I uh how do I get more Splatoon clothes? These Splatoon clothes are bad. I don't want to wear this. I don't want to wear that. I want to wear what my Octling or Inkling wears in Splatoon 2, 1, 2, or 3. So what you're gonna do is this. Okay. Oh, I gotta fix my screen. Hold on. Let me just fix my screen for just a second. So what you want to do is you want to go to the models resource. What's the models resource? What you want to do is this. Hold on. So what you want to do is you want to type in the models resource Splatoon 2. There's going to be a whole lot of Splatoon stuff. I gotta hurry with this because this site likes to lag my computer. This is how you get the more clothes in for your Splatoon model, but you're gonna have to rig it yourself. You're gonna have to weight paint it to your model yourself. Okay. If you don't know how to weight paint things, there's tutorials on YouTube. That isn't me, right? That isn't me on YouTube that can teach you how to weight paint. Don't give me that BS. Be like, oh, this is too hard. They're not doing it right. Shortcuts, can you do it? All right. So what you're gonna do is click on Nintendo Switch Splatoon 2 Models Resource, right? And you want to scroll down. It's already lagging. Oh my god. So this is how you get the rest of the clothes, right? You got your headgear. It's super laggy. You got your shirts. All right. You got your you got your shoes and stuff. All right. That's just an example. I'm getting out of this website because it's lagging my computer. All right. So that's how you get more clothes. Now, how to get the gloves on your model? So the person that I know is telling me how do you put gloves on the models? Oh, I can't do it. Shortcuts. It's too hard. It's too complicated. How you do it? Dude, it's not complicated. You just need a picture of a black PNG, right? And just slap it on the model like this. I'll teach you. Okay. So I'm gonna pause it real quick so I can drag and drop my PNG. You don't really need to copy my PNG that I'm gonna show you on the computer. You can do that in paint.net. Like, look, I'm gonna teach you how easy it is. Like, he's like all complicated, like shortcuts. It's so complicated. How you do it? Blah blah blah. His name is Rival, by the way. That's all you need to know. His name is Rival. So basically, look how simple this is. I'm gonna show you right now. Because he's all like, "Oh, I'm just confused. Oh, yada yada yada. It looks very confusing, dude. What the hell is so confusing of just doing this? What's so confusing of just doing this? I'm confused. Now you're getting me confused. You're telling me that this looks very confusing. Oh, look what I'm about to do. I'm clicking the paint bucket. I'm clicking black, right? What's so complicated about doing this, right? So like, so then what you gotta do is this. Sorry, it kind of took me a minute to find the black image texture on my computer. So like here, you got your black image, right, that you've made in that you've made in Paint.net. If you don't have Paint.net, just go to GIMP. Go on Google and type GIMP. It's a free editing software. So look, let me teach you how to cut things. All right, because I thought I've already taught you how to do this. You know, that's really stressful. Because rival, I thought I just told you guys how to cut things in my recent tutorial. Did I not teach you how to do that? Give me a second. Because I could have sworn I taught you guys how to cut things. Okay, I found it. This is how you cut things in MMD. Oh, to give it different to give it different colors, what I normally do is you wanna just hide all this. Go to your hair. This is a nifty little trick I like to do. So you wanna like press the F button up here, click these two, then oh, then you wanna press the square, press that again. Then you wanna do this. Just do what I do. Right, left click and drag. So then you wanna go over here, right click, press split, yes, and it'll give you a whole brand new material. See, so make it look half. And if you want different eye color, so that's how you split things. So what are you talking about? That it's so complicated. I don't think you've ever seen my YouTube videos before, Rival. You gotta start watching my videos, man. It's not that complicated. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you the same thing that I've taught you how to split textures in in MMD. Okay, so the mouse is showing now. So wait, I wonder if the hair is still split because I remember me doing it and I've like never colored in the texture. Is it still split? Yeah, it's still split. I never really colored in the texture, but it's whatever. Let me teach you how to make gloves. It's not that complicated. It's super simple. You just gotta find the headband for it. Okay, there we go. So normally what I do is I just like erase everything and just get the hands. If I can find the hands. Oh, there's the hands. So what I want to do is you want to click the square thing, right? All right, listen. This is going to be the last time I'm explaining how to uh, split things because I've already taught you how to split things. So this shouldn't be so complicated and hard. All right, last time I'm doing this. Now pay attention carefully. Click vertices, or you can click you can click vertices or faces if you want, but it'll just look more red. All right, click on this box selection thing, right? You don't really need this window anymore, so just close out of that. Click on the show vertex and click on show selected vertex. Okay. So it depends on what how long you want your gloves. It depends how long of you want it. You want it long, like you can click on the lasso tool too, but this is for an example. So let's say you want long gloves, right? No, short gloves, right? Let's show you the short gloves first. So what I do is I carefully so I want short gloves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. You want to hold left click. So what I want to do is I want to do this. All right. Just want to carefully like do that. Now don't left click or it's going to erase like this. See, I'm going to left click and it's gone. All right, don't do what I just did. Just pay attention, okay? Oh, also how to drag and select things. You want to hold shift so it selects multiple things. I'm holding shift and I'm doing that, okay? So then you want to like squeeze your way in and just feel your way to find where you want your gloves to be at. Uh, so what I want my gloves to be at is like that, right? That's how I want it to be like. So what you want to do is you want to like fill in the rest of these vertexes. Hold shift and left click drag all the way around. And that should give you the gloves, unless you want it a little bit longer. Yeah, you want it a little bit longer, or it's not gonna look right. All right, so what you want to do is do it again. Hold shift and drag left click drag, and go all the way around. And if you want to do it, and if you want long gloves, just do this. This is how you make short gloves, right? I just showed you, right? And that's how you make, and this is gonna be how you make long gloves. Let's say you really want it like really long. So what you want to do is go up to the arm right here, hold shift and like left click drag. Let's say you want it all the way to the freaking armpit. All right. Oh wait, no. Let's erase that. So to erase a selected vertex, you want to hold shift and you want to left click drag. That's how you erase this specific vertex. All right. Remember how I told you how to make gloves on this side? This is how you do it on this side. Okay. I'm not gonna speak. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay, so you've just made your. Don't click anything yet. Don't left click or everything's gonna disappear. So what you wanna? Oh, I messed it up. I messed it up. Dang. Sorry guys, I messed it up. Give me a second. So let's say you want long gloves, right? So let's. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to hold your left mouse button and go to arms and split and press yes. That'll make a new material, okay? Then you want to click on body, right? And you want to do the same thing I taught you how to do it, all right? I'm not going to repeat myself because I'm just wasting hot air. And it's very hard to see sometimes too, so you're just going to have to wing it and see where everything is. Okay, so that's how you make the short gloves, I think. Yeah, yeah, that's how you do it. So now we want to click on body and split. Yes. So now it's going to make a whole new material, you see? So let's do the same thing on this side. Alright. I can find the arms. So you want long gloves, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing that I just taught you, right? And just select this whole arm. And then right click, then click split. Yes. Alright, now don't panic, it's still here, it's just cut off, okay? It's just cut off. So now we're gonna go to body and do the same thing that I just taught you, okay? Like I don't get why people say this is so hard, man. Like it's not complicated, it's easy. People are just trying to stress me out. I tell you, man. People are just trying to stress me out. Okay, now what you want to do is click body, split, and yes. And that's how you make your gloves, okay? Now, you've gotten your you split it like I told you to. If you did all that correctly, you should have you've gotten your gloves, but listen, you're not done yet. So what I'm going to teach you now is how to put it on the model, okay? So now what you're going to do is click file, click import, and just use that black texture I told you how to make. Oh, that's not. Oh, wait, no, don't go to file. Go to material and try to find a name that you've made the gloves at. It's all called new, so we're gonna click new. I'm gonna press this sign color box. Don't worry about all this of just making it a dot. Just press file, open texture, and click that black texture you made in dot paint or GIMP. You want to click that and press open. And now let me show you this so-called looks very confusing. Uh, uh, I'm just confused. How do you cut? Uh, how do you make it black? So now what you're going to do to answer all your questions is just press update and just press yes. And look, suddenly you made gloves. Gloves. For some reason it's not showing the other side, but yeah, so that's how you make gloves. See? That's how you make it. I know it looks scuffed, but oh wow, look guys, it's so complicated. Oh wow, guys, look. It's complicated. Oh wow, look. Look guys. Look how complicated this is. Look how complicated this is, guys. Look how complicated it is. Wow. That's so cool. You see that, guys? You're complaining over nothing, over a simple drag and drop image. You're stressing me out? You're physically stressing me out for no reason? Wow, guys, look. Gloves. Wow. That's so cool, man. And let me show you how it works. It doesn't need no weight painting or nothing. It works without doing it. See? Look, watch. Wow, guys, look. Gloves. Look how simple this is. Wow, you don't need no weight painting, no nothing. Wow. Look how complicated this is, guys. Wow. Look how hard it is just to make gloves work. It's so hard to make gloves. It's so hard to make gloves. Wow. It's so hard. Somebody give this man an Oscar. Wow. Look how easy that was. And I didn't even have to lift a finger. Wow, look guys. Gloves. Wow. And it was that easy? All I needed to do is draw us is just so shortcuts. You're telling me all I needed to do is click on the paint bucket tool, click black, and just color it in? That's all I had to do was make gloves? Yes, random person. That's how you make gloves. Wow, look at that, guys. Gloves. It works. Wow. That's how you make gloves. Now, please stop asking. It's really annoying. I'm not going to save it because why would I put gloves on the tutorial avatar? You know what? No, I'm going to save it. I'm going to make a new one. I'm going to. You know what? No, wait. Okay, no, never mind. It's fine. I can show the screen. Oh, no, wait. I have to, Yeah, remember I told you don't save it as a PMX. Save it as a an X file. Just save it as a .pmx. Wow, look at that, guys. Gloves. So that's how you get how to port your model into VRChat and how to make gloves. If you're still confused, please go to part 1 and go to part 2, please. I am done. I'm not going to waste no more time.